This is another third video. The question in that video we are covering that what is the context manager in the Python. So as per our defined standard, we can firstly give the definition of what is the context manager. This is most important. As per that, we can focus on the keyword like it's allow you to allocate and release the resource previously you want to do. Then some common way to implement the context manager is by using the with keyword. That's we need to focus. Then give the example like simple syntax in the definition, like you can define the with your open file as a read and the context, this syntax. And after that, in this syntax, we need to explain the what is the open function, then what is open keywords, and what is a with keyword. That's about then the definition and the syntax. Then after that, the panel will be asked you to create the context manager, or how can you customly create the context manager using the class. So in that, they mostly not asked to write the code if you answer the properly. So enter the use these two keyword mainly. Enter define enter and define exist, and what is use of these functions, then it will be cover that questions also. But it might be they ask you to write this code, then that also explain write the code and they explain the his steps, how it's working, and when uh, context ends, then what exists, and inside what will be when it goes. So that's it. And after that you can explain the creating the context manager using the inbuilt libraries like Contextlib module provide the convenient way to context manager using context decorator. This is okay. This keyword you can use the context manager decorator. So this is of some terms you need to focus and to give the simple example in that decorator. Then what the yield, and then the entering the text now. Right. So about the uh, context sleep model, and after that, in after definition, that everything is will be the panel will be going to ask. For example, they want to check the context manager. All these question will become one by one. So be prepared for it. There is no any option for they ask the definition and stop there. If you answer the definition, they will ask to write the code. If you write the code, then it will be asked the features, why you going to use context manager. In that uses of context management, you can uh, explain context management, file operation, database connection, thread pool logs, temporary settings, resource management. These some use cases. And advantages of the context management is the resource management and exception handling, code clarity. That's some point we can answer here. And so that's about this question. Thank you so much.